I'm Jade, and today we are doing a makeup tutorial. Very simple. First, you will need a headband to cover your to cover your hair from getting in your face. First, what I do is I put on my eyebrows. So we're gonna pick up the eyebrow pencil. I'm gonna pick up the eyebrow pencil, and I'm gonna put it on my eyebrow. Yeah, my eyebrow. Yep, very. You don't want to put too much on because you're gonna look a little wonky. Perfect, like perfect. Now the next one, you want them to look exactly the same. There we go. Perfect. Then next, I do my lashes. So you're gonna get your eyelash. That's empty. Just showing y'all the brand. I use Grace eyelashes. I can't seem to find it. I'm kind of blind right now. Found it. You're gonna take one carefully off the plastic. You're gonna get your eyelash glue. And now you're gonna apply the glue, not to your eyelid like I'm showing you. Don't do that. Don't do that. You're gonna get your eyelash. And you're gonna apply the glue onto your false eyelash. Now, you're gonna put it on. You're gonna close your eye. Leave one eye open so you can see what you're doing. Yep. Like I said, I'm very uncoordinated. So then you're gonna get your other eyelash. And then you're gonna do the exact same thing which you did. Yep. Keep one eye open. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, next, you're gonna get your eyeliner. I'm showing y'all what not to do. Because, you know, it's not doing anything. Haha, it tricked you. You're gonna press a little bit harder to get it on. There we go. You see that point? Like, there we go. Now you're gonna fill it in just like that. I'm gonna do the other eye because I messed it up to me, so I'm gonna make it look like the other one. Beautiful. Final touch, what brings the entire makeup together is the lipstick. So we're gonna pick that beaut up. Then you're gonna apply it onto the lips. There we go. Yep, just make sure you don't get any on your teeth. Like, okay. It's flip your hair a little bit. Yep. Gonna now the last step is you're gonna take your headband off. So yeah, take beautiful. Like, that was my tutorial. I hope this helped y'all. And yeah.